Welcome to ILC Learning Made Easy. The topic of today's video is parts of speech. So let's get started. What are the parts of speech? All the words which we use are categorized into 8 groups and together they are known as parts of speech. Parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Let's study each in detail. Noun. A noun is a word used for naming a person, animal, place and object. Example, girl, vegetables, dog. Can you think of nouns around you? What about you or your pet animal? Next we have pronoun. A pronoun is a word that replaces noun in a sentence. Are you wondering how? I'll show you. Ahmed is a lazy boy. Ahmed watches TV the entire day. Ahmed does not study. Ahmed wakes up late every morning. Ahmed reaches the school late. Why do you think the word Ahmed is underlined? It is because in each sentence it's used again and again. In English, we don't do this. Instead, we use the pronoun he. Let's correct this. Ahmed is a lazy boy. He watches TV the entire day. He does not study. He wakes up late every morning. He reaches the school late. Now there are other pronouns that you can use as well. We use she in case of females. Then we have it. We use it for any object, right? And then we have we. We use we when it's us and there people are as well. You can use we when you are including yourself with people around you. Now when you're writing, do not use the word again and again. Instead, use these pronouns. Verb. A verb is a word that shows the happening or state of something. For example, playing. When you're playing football, playing is a verb because it's an action. Next we have writing. Writing is an action, that's why it's a verb. Then we have watering. Watering your plants is an action, that's why it's the verb again. Next you have an adverb. Adverb describes the verb. Now how can you identify an adverb? Adverb usually has ly at the end of the verb. I'll show you with examples. Anna is dancing gracefully. Gracefully is the adverb here because it's describing the verb dancing and it has ly in the end. Bees buzz around noisily. Noisily is an adverb. It has ly in the end and it's describing the buzzing of the bees. Adjective. Adjective describes the noun and pronouns. Examples. Fat cat. Fat is an adjective here. Shiny car. Shiny is an adjective here. Huge tree. Huge is an adjective here. Now, how would you describe yourself or your house? Which adjectives should you use? Preposition. Preposition describes the position of a noun and pronoun. It's simple. Example, on the chair. On is a preposition because it's describing that the person is sitting on the chair, the position of the person. Under the blanket. If you are hiding under the blanket, under is showing your position. Behind the table. If the teacher is sitting behind the table, that means behind is showing the position of the teacher in the classroom. Next, we have an interjection. An interjection describes the feelings and the emotions. For example, wow, it's a beautiful painting. Wow is an interjection. Yay, I won the game. Yay is an interjection. It's describing your emotions and feelings. No, I do not want to eat an apple. It's no here is showing your expression. That's why it's an interjection. And lastly, we have conjunction. Conjunction links other words or phrases in a sentence. For example, I like oranges, but my sister likes mangoes. But here is a conjunction. It's connecting two sentences. We had pizza and burger for dinner, and is a conjunction. It was raining, so I could not go out to play. So here is in conjunction. The end. If you have any question or query related to our video, do mention in the comment section below, and do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Goodbye.